Hey everyone, welcome back to Excel With. Today we are diving into another super exciting trick, how to convert numbers into words in Excel. Whether you're working on invoices, financial reports, or just want to save time, this method will make your work much easier. Stick around as I show you step by step how you can get this done. Let's get started. To convert numbers into words in Excel, the first step that you need to do is to activate your developer tab. For this Excel sheet that I'm currently using, it's activated, but if you've not done so, this is how you can do it. Right click anywhere on your ribbon, click on customize the ribbon, and then on the left click on customize the ribbon. On your right, under the main tabs, check the developer box. On my sheet at the moment it's checked on because we had it already, but for you, you'll have it to do it for the first time. Click OK. Once that's done, go back to your developer tab. On your left, click on Visual Basic. Once you're on Visual Basic, you'll have this interface. Click Insert. Click on Insert and choose Module. Once you have this pop-up, go back to your Google and look for spell number code. You will find a lot of them, so choose one that you feel comfortable using. I had one already copied, so I'll copy it once more and paste here. Click on Alt plus Q to go back to your Excel sheet, and this time round start typing your formula equals spell number, and then choose your choose your cell, close your parentheses and hit enter. As you can see, the amount on the first column is 10 and the amount in words is 10. You can do the same for every row or every cell, but in this case, if you've done the first one, you can apply to the rest of them by just selecting and dragging down. So you've got 25.50, 100, 200, 500, 1000, like that. So this is how you convert numbers into words in Excel. And if you have any more questions, please feel free to leave a comment down in the comment section. Subscribe if you've not, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.